Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making the hardware ready. Charge the controller and put it into its pairing mode so the phone can see it. On your phone, open Bluetooth and enable scanning. Sometimes location permission is required for discovery. Once done, keep any wired adapter ready, USB-C or AUX, if you plan to connect physically. This saves time because Bluetooth and wired modes start differently. Starting now avoids back-and-forth firmware or battery resets that interrupt pairing. You should now choose the controller from the Bluetooth list and accept any prompt. Some controllers show a code you must confirm. If you use a wired connection, plug the USB-C/OTG cable and allow HID input when the phone requests permission. Once connected, install the vendor app or run firmware updates to get mapping, button remaps, or low-latency modes. These steps fix input lag and ensure analog sticks report correctly. Make sure to test inputs in a controller set. Finish by testing every control axis and button inside a calibration or the game's controller menu. Adjust sensitivity and dead zones so inputs feel natural. Save any profiles in the app and enable low latency or game mode to reduce input delay. If things go wrong, follow this troubleshooting tip. Forget the controller on the phone, power cycle, or reset the controller, and restart the phone before repairing. This clears cached pairings and often fixes handshake or driver issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.